Gift, can I talk to you?
Of course, Leo. Are you okay?
Today, I felt confused again, Gift.
About English?
Yes.
Oh, tell me what happened, sweetie.
In school, my teacher asked a question.
What question, sweetie?
She asked, have you done your homework?
Present perfect tense.
Gift, I froze.
That is okay, sweetie.
My friends answered quickly, but I stayed quiet.
You felt nervous. It's okay.
Yes, Gift. And then some girls smiled like they were joking.
Oh, that hurts. That is not kind at all.
I felt small again, Gift.
Leo, look at me. You are not small. You are learning. First, breathe slowly.
Okay.
Good.
I feel a little better.
We will learn together.
Thank you, Gift.
Leo, listen.
Yes?
Present perfect tense talks about something in the past, but it is important now.
Oh, I understand.
Example, I have finished my homework.
I have finished my homework.
Great. The formula is very easy. Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
Have and has.
Yes, I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it has.
Okay, Gift.
Now let's understand V3. V3 is a special verb form.
V3 scares me.
Don't worry, we will go slowly. Examples: eat, eaten, go, gone, do, done. Repeat after me. I have done my homework.
I have done my homework.
I have eaten lunch.
I have eaten lunch.
I have gone to school.
I have gone to school.
Very nice, sweetie. Now you speak.
I have finished my work.
Great.
I have cleaned my bag.
Very good.
I have studied English.
Excellent.
I have learned new words.
Wow, that sentence is strong.
Now let's add some useful words. Already, just, yet.
Fun words?
Yes, I have already eaten. I have just finished my homework. I have not done it yet.
Yes, I have already eaten. I have just finished my homework. I have not done it yet.
Yet means not now?
Yes, maybe later. Your teacher asked, have you done your homework, right?
Yes, Gift.
And the answer?
Yes, I have.
Perfect. Again, have you done your homework?
Yes, I have.
Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have.
Have you cleaned your room?
Yes, I have.
Now let's practice negatives. Have not, has not.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I have not finished.
I have not finished.
She has not come.
She has not come.
Great. Now speak a small paragraph.
Today I have learned present perfect tense. I have practiced many sentences. I have answered questions. I have made mistakes, but I have tried again.
Beautiful paragraph.
I feel proud.
You should be my champion. Now final recap. Ready?
Yes, Gift.
Today I have learned present perfect tense. Present perfect tense uses have and has.
The formula is subject plus have or has plus V3.
Excellent.
Example, I have done my homework. She has eaten lunch. They have gone home.
Perfect.
Gift, I feel confident now. If my teacher asks again, I will answer quickly.
Brilliant. Have you done your homework?
Yes, I have.
I am proud of you, Leo.
Thank you for helping me, Gift. Bye.
Bye too. See you next time.